and Z, coloring zone.
Hello kids, how are you? Today we are going to learn A to Z alphabets. So let's start. Red color. Brown color. Dark green color. Green color. Yellow color. Red color. Brown color. Green color. So let's start. A. A is for apple. A. A for apple. B. B. B for ball. B for ball. C. C for cat. C for cat. Red color. D. D is for dog. Yay, dog. So nice. E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F. F for fish. Yay! You are amazing. So nice. G. G. G is for goal. Yay! Hit. Hit. H for horse. H for horse. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jar. J for jar. K. K is for kite. L. L for lemon. M. M for mango. Yay! So nice. N. N. N is for nest. Yay! Nest. O. O. O is for orange. O is for orange. P. P. E is for parrot. Q. Q. Q is for queen. Yay! So nice. R. R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S. S. S is for sparrow. Snake. Sparrow. T. T is for tree. Wow, so nice. So beautiful. Yay. U. U is for umbrellas. U is for umbrella. V. V. V for van. V for van. W. W. W for walk. W for what? Walk in what? X. X. Oops, sorry. X. X is for extra. Extra. Y. Y for yellow. Yay, so nice. Z. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Wow, so nice. Beautiful. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wow, so nice. A for apple. A for apple. A. B for ball. B for ball. Ba. C for cat. C for cat. Cat. D for dog. D for dog. Dog. Yay, so nice. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yay! Clapping. Thank you so much.